Yes, una good morning, my people. Now me, una brother, una friend, una loyalist. Come Stanley Usase, Usak Winokudin. I want beg all of us. As you dey watch me so, not be me by your doctor. I not get right to control you on what to do, but I want beg you, share this video. Because after a series of experience, we want talk, we want speak, we want send message, and we want make this message reach the hands of our politicians. Before I continue, make I first thank Tonto Dike. I don't know her before. Na television I don't for see him, and na still media I for still see her guest here. You know what she do? Na home video she dey add to. She buy rice, she buy indomie, she buy eggs, not be egg o, eggs. She buy bread, she buy oil, many like that. She distribute them to the poor. As in, you go get this, you get packet of indomie, you will get eggs, you will get breads, you will get oil. As one family, the next family go get the same thing. Na so she take distributor. Do you know what that means? Even if you cook rice, you need oil to make turn real rice. Those days when we dey school, e get jollof rice wey we dey call accident jollof. We we'll put oil, we we'll put pepper, we we'll put the rice, we we'll go fry am. We go also wanting tomatoes, put on it. As we turn the food, it go red. As the red, we don't get jollof. We go rush am. All of us go the same. Yeah, we don't see flesh. Then we dey read 247. We lean, but whether we like it or not, for as long as say we see food put for that belly at that particular time, we go say man on a part of the Akada stress. So that is to say, the effort of Tonton Dike create complete meal for people. Now, before we go in details, what about our own sister here for Benin here? Amafe Jessica. When she wants supply relief material, although she not supply to the whole earth, but within the range and her capacity, we dey see where she will carry macaroni, she will carry indomie, she go carry garri, she go carry rice, she go carry oil, she go carry tin tomatoes, e go turn to one full bag of food. Na so e go many for ground, then she go dey distribute am. Do you know what that means? Anybody wey get that food materials wey she supply at that particular time, believe me, she go eat. Those family go eat for at least 1 week. Now, what about when e reach the time when e be say she can't complain say market not open, market not today open, and somebody send her money, she embark on random act of kindness. You know how much she share? 5,000 per person. Why would they bring all this example? Will they go back to where politicians for the failures? But before we talk this one, we need to bring examples of individuals. Whether you get political intention or no political intention, who and who will try to do things to as well extend gesture to our people, we salute now. But the question now is, where those politicians will not benefit from those states will not run for power again? What una don't do for the people? Waiting una now, okay, we know say you were once in position in Edo State. As of today, you are no longer in position. But we know say you are where to do. You get the economic war chest. What you don't do for the people during this COVID-19 period? Tell me. Now, before we go details, Mok will now ask ourselves, we get senator from Edo South. Senator Amosu, we know what she do. What he do for his state. We see the way he takes supply palliatives. The question now be say, our own senator for Edo South to Rohidi, the man carry big boy put for everywhere. They say stay safe, stay safe, stay safe, stay safe. Now so you selfish, Oga. Now so you selfish. Now we know say you try in terms of bringing attracting constituency project. That will not be your money you take do. Now government money. The inside the money we see reach you for inside government. You not fit see buy relief material for people Rohidi. You not fit buy. You not even try make you do okay. Most say for that your area where you stay for a tete, may you still as well share things for people. You not do one. You go out that way. You go out that way. What about all these other politicians? We not get one single thing we not do. Now, do you know what? If when they share now, you see they'll say you cannot get to everywhere. They'll share Indomie. They'll share Gary. Who take Indomie? No take Gary. Who take rice, no go take Indomie. Do you know what that means? Now, if a packet of Indomie too dear, the bigger one, not even the small one where they share now, the bigger one is 3,150 before, now it's 3,003. Now, the one where they share now is about 2,000 something. Do you know how much they share in an election day for votes? So they share almost 5,000 naira. So now 3,000 naira, so now 4,000 naira. And do you know what? That money where they share, so it go cut across the country. If it is a state election, no matter how that village had reached, money to share for the ambition we get to that place. Now it don't reach the time to take care of the masses. Money not come day, money not complete. Money not day to buy. See, I tell all of us before I say I want to suspend my political activity for this COVID-19 period. I want to assume the full position of an activist when I be. Here now to come talk true. I know they support A, I know go support B, we go talk the truth as a B. I tell some people that they say, come, in this our country, virtually everybody now less privileged. Please, I beg, invite your friends to this video. Invite your friends, share it, and invite them, please. Please. You know what? Our people, we have refused to be speaking out. Now they cause these nonsensical actions where these politicians do. Now, we know everybody they say governor, governor, governor. Everybody they say aspirant, aspirant, aspirant. Waiting our representative don't do since when this issue starts. What of those ones we don't fair collect money for inside the states? Some of them, if you check their salary where they receive while they were in office, they compare with the amount of money where they their pocket. And you know, say the thief do money. Ask them now, what have they done for the people? What have this kind of challenging period where busy at least to some extent you need to do your possible best? What have they done? None of them know from the beginning to the end. But when it is political fight, they can dish out money for you to do it. Not say that they use us play. Una not see and say that they use us play. Now, when they go to contest election, you go where Rasma, few months to election, Rasma go to distribute rice. At the shop or rice, they not give a position. This is the time to share rice now. Where the rice? Where is the rice? Tell me. So all those they are good, they say they do. None of them they do good. They wanted to pass through the back door to rob from Edo people. Now, do you ask Ego Ikpobaoka Federal Constituency Honorable Judy say they, what have you shared? You go say hand sanitizer, hand sanitizer. Oh God. I was not trained to insult any of these politicians or to insult anybody. I am supposed to start insulting you people, but I will not do it. But I will punish you people with the truth. Now you come out, go to do hand sanitizer. Do you know that in this period of COVID-19, if you get enough to eat and you stay inside your house, everybody stay inside their house, no visit, nobody come visit you, no come visit anybody, we just day, food day, you day with your bang for your house, so now relax, they flex, they eat well. You don't need hand sanitizer. Now, because people see they don't come out from house, go look for a way to get one small also, even during the period of the COVID-19. And their hand, they use their hand, touch one or two things, they shake. Hey, my brother, I wish they're not supposed to be. Now make they need hand sanitizer. Now make they need a face mask. Under a normal situation, If everything they don't need hand sanitizer. Go check all of them. They don't go, they do hand sanitizer. They share the worker. Member of House of Assemblies where they now, we have never seen they share anything. Asoro go join, they go, they share hand sanitizer. Is it only hand sanitizer? You will do una house, the food one, this kind of food one they share. So now una the chop. Una they benefit a do billions. But una they come to even do assist to compliment una never do. Agbe no le madan. No man is they level. No man is they level. See them. That one, Honorable Jude Ego, he come out. And I just choose to say, Mokuri Mekam, 80% of the people who work for you, you betrayed all of them. Okay, now for you to see stand, to say at least use this as an opportunity. So even if you say you get political intention, so maybe they say you work, why don't you just ask to say you share the leave material? To who? To who? Or okay, the business they carry big board, they work. Stay safe, stay safe. The money you take to those big board. Go fit bring, make supply of food materials. People go see testify. Not until yesterday, me myself do things on camera. We they do them on our own. But as a politician, your own it is expected that your own shows in camera. We want to see what you have done. I owe nobody anything. If I do now within my mind, but we want to see what you have done. Mostly those one way still they sit. Those one way not they sit again. You storm Edo money. That one are truth. We no dispute. Say you say why I was there, I didn't steal the money. We all know that you all stole our money. But the difference between some and some is that while you were stealing, some you worked, the others stole without even doing a single thing. Why some did all their best, but they still stole our money. In all, none of them be sent. We know that one clear. Now we believe say workshop. Now we are there for the work. Now they're there for the chop. We're not there against you on that. But at least when this time still reach to come out for the people, where una all of una days as. Then when it reach time of election, una go the dollars billion upon billion, make una take on the election. Then at the end when you don't win finish, you go push the masses back into the backwater of economic and political decadence. And you want us to be happy with you? You want us to be happy with you? I never get details of what happened in Edo Central. I never get full details of what happened in Edo North. I know Adams Oshomole to be a giver. Oga, does it mean now saying a political giver you be? Because me, I never see say for now they say Congo show up for television or radio say comrade governor, the former governor of Edo State Adam Oshomole brought us so and so amount of money for relief material. I forget politics. I have never seen him. But I know how you tell they assist people under a normal situation. But this is the time. Was that assistant political? This is the time for you all to show your effort. Show your effort. Yeah, I don't want to talk yesterday. I follow up the relief material. I shake my head, but I could bear them like that. Because even if Bini say you the beat person will cook back pounded yam. What of the one will not just cook at all? What of the one will not just cook at all? Now, I never hear what Zacchaeus Ogun do because we know Zacchaeus Ogun has been a great representative. What has he done? We want to know again now. This is the time. Because you don't need to wait for constituency fund. You're going to share grinding machine, tailoring material, you say empowerment program, keke na pay. Yes, those one are government direct intervention. We are aware when we know how those money to come. Now we want to ask you from your personal pocket when you took on, because government now will never give you constituency project money. Now, because this COVID-19, nobody planner, it is expedient that you took your hand in your pocket to say, let me bring that small thing. Let me buy so and so thing to support. To ensure, say, people eat. Have you people done it? Have you people done it? The answer is no. No. Some of una not go feed it una money finish. Una children no feed it and finish. Na children will misuse the money, now go feed it and finish. But it depends una to bring out a little dime to assist the people. Why? Please and please and please share this video. We are sending a message to these politicians. This is no time to play dirty, frivolous politics. when the time come for politics, we go take part and we go make sure say we support the candidate of our choice. We don't already get our candidate for our man. But for now, because of the COVID-19, let us suspend political activities and tell these people the truth. Let's tell them the truth. All the past politicians who don't occupy different positions, all of them act for inside their house. Before they bring out cupboard now to assist, political affiliation must join. They'll give you directives to see how it go be. Now, so please invite your friend. Invite your friend. If you don't know how to invite your friend, as you share this video, send out to them for inboxes. Then go click on how to watch to get these details. You know what I don't observe in this our country where we dey? Now youth like we, they spoil them. I don't feel talking before. Now youth like we, they spoil them. A guy where I go for Ogiso yesterday, won't go share relief material. On getting to that place of Ogiso, as we share relief material, may I come up for relief material? I start to see as road, see people they live inside moats. If rain fall, those ones don't turn to automatic refugee or IDP, internally displaced person. The same way Boko Haram to internally displaced people. Now some people of Ogiso will be internally displaced during rainy season. And we are told that 4.something billion was approved for the construction of that place. Since when they do now dry season, before it was the approval for rainy season, dry season come. It don't go now. Now new rainy season will enter soon. Tell me, how will those people cope? How will those people cope? If you reach there, you cry. If you reach that place, you self go cry. This time not be politics, oh. This time now for us to talk the truth. You cannot give me for front, follow back, take on. You cannot give me from back, follow front, take on. As we see them, we go talk another. Now, we will mention your name. Senator Pharmacist Orohide, Honorable Jude Ise Ide, Patrick Aisowe, Denko of your noticed. Aisowe, Wonde Oriomo. I don't call that one tire to ask and say how far. Where are you now? Then Federal Constituency, Jude, Honorable Jude said there. Then the senator goes out. What are you doing? Ogbede Yama. Everybody know you yourself. You will be Ogbede Yama. Say you get good man. You good. What did happen this season? We want to know. We want to know. We want to know exactly what. This is not about PDP, APC, guy. Fuck those parties for now. Because the only mechanism we don't fit to divide us now to remind us of the political party where we belong. This is beyond politics and political party. We must call on these people to act. We must call on them to act. Because the money we dey on a various bank accounts. No na Edo people money. Even if you are getting such money from Abuja, that money was allocated to Edo people. You use what you want, now you cut for inside. If you say with the data, let's go and calculate your actual salary and look at your bank account if it is commensurable. All of you now don't collect money from Edo. That is the truth. What are you people now doing to give back to Edo people? Get it clearly. I am not saying that if me stay in that position, say me I go the work, me no go see benefit too. I would benefit, I won't dispute that. But at least to some extent, don't allow your benefit to override the interest of the people. We not say me you not benefit. After all, our people now cause some, now make una self they go take them, so una must benefit. Imagine a politician will run an election with this sum of 300 to 400 million naira, and you expect her to go to that position, may go for the hand. If the people refuse to collect money and vote for you without taking a dime, and you enter position without spending a dime, apart from money you take back form, which you can get in 4 years if they give you your salary, we go fit come out to your house, go meet you, say come, what you do. But for now we have no such right because we know how much people collect from you now before they enter position. I am proud to say that I decamped to the All Progressives Congress without taking a dime for anybody. Ask anybody, even to the office of the governor. Go and ask the governor himself. I decamp to the All Progressive Congress without taking a dime from any politician. Whereas people decamp to get money. That is why today I can boldly speak my mind if I choose to. Nobody can tell me, say, why Tana? You can't tell me that. I will tell you point blank, say, Domo, talk we must respect you. I am a full-grown, born Benin boy, which must be very, very loyal. And part of our moral etiquette is respect elders. I am more that Yegbe, but that is not to say we will not be bold enough to tell the truth where necessary. This is not the time to begin to sing praises and unnecessary psychophancy. Moku talk the way it be. Our people are suffering. Our politicians are not meeting up to expectation. If you look the billboard where Senator Orogi they make to do campaign, in fact, now the loss, now the most expensive material. The billboard follow everywhere. Because that one are for your interest. Since this COVID-19, you might see the form say you have been quarantined. You sit there on quarantine. Whether you quarantine, you not quarantine, it get how you go fit tape from there, send things, relief material to reach out to the people. People are willing to take the risk to go to the street to distribute these things. Make them available. Everybody knows inside politics, me and not to get support for the sitting administration. We won't hide it. Everybody know. I'm not there against them, but I not still get support for them. I won't hide it. But when that relief material come, we went to go and see. Then as we see, we join the share. Even if we were not totally comfortable with what we saw on ground, but at least to some extent, we'll still say thank you. Because in Benin, we see Okmomesi. Or we now we away. Not be saying na good then do for us because na still our money. Because this one come out from Edo State government. Not be Edo State governor bring am. Na Edo State government bring am. And the whole relief materials where they share is from Edo State government and Edo State people money. So we not tell anybody thank you. Government did their job. But to us as an Oliver Twist, the job is not enough. We need more. We need more. Now, when the governor come up for position, they can say, okay, don't round up his tenure. He can't do good. We will say, thank you, Mr. Man, Mr. Governor of Edo. We thank you. Because then we will not say he dey spend individual money. For now government money they spend. Now they spend. So at least to some extent, for the response to, we thank them. What about people who do privately spend their money to send relief material? Like the front runner, Pastor Saigi Izeyami. I don't care if he has an ambition or no ambition. But at least as at that particular time, the family will get that food, eat. Not know whether politics they come. Make it with your rush, put soup for fire, make a bear, making your squeeze, put that food for belly. Now in there at that moment. Now when indoor comes and say me everywhere, go down and say, hey, the position don't need to let the way here you. The person where they hungry. We hungry one key, not the remember position. Hey, a person we can do that. I said, those days when we did school, when we did starve, we'll get response, we don't get you. We'll they look, oh yeah, no, they nothing. As we hear you for room one girl don't they fresh you. As we hear the same say the fresh, well, your poor ass of fire. Well, your price of fire, they're not going to say we get plan. You know, I guess be now. They get provision, get everything for us. So if we have a say, babe, and there's a big form, they don't want me the arm for you could use opportunity to make tea. You say, but babe, what's up? I want to chop. You can say, take now. You don't say we want cure hunger. Well, you could make tea, you cut bread from anywhere, you see Russian. So we don't clear coast. As we clear coast, we don't move come off for us. Now begin to say which one. But when you see us on street, you say, and so with the flesh of you don't say we ourselves now back home. As we they put rice of fire, as the guy they bring down the stew, we they put rice to our plate. Go meet and say, babe, and not say me you give me rice. I beg, I get it. I beg, put stew on top for me. May I take chop on. They go give you stew. As they put stew on top, we don't eat. So what in would they try talk? Person where they hungry, don't know whether anybody they run for position. So whichever interest that is attached to the distribution of food. Attached it and distribute these things, relief material to the people. Attached it. If you see the rate, see, I first talk before I say come. In this country, all the citizens are less privileged citizens. Both the billionaire, the trillionaire, and all, we are all less privileged citizens. Now, the poorest man in the Western world, where only the seafood shop is more comfortable, is a privileged citizen compared to our billionaire. Our billionaire here are underprivileged citizens. How? You wake up in the morning, they come out from inside your house. The road where you pass to road, dirty, no third road. If you never own Lister, if you never own Meccano generator, you know get let. If you never dig borehole, you know go get water. Self-help. How many water board they work for the country? None. So for you to get water to take care of your own domestic use, you must dig borehole. Whereas it's the responsibility of government to supply all this. Why you pay in water rate? We get metering system. You pay in line with what you consume. Then distribution of water get processed. Not be saying one can go into that. Then we get water purification. How many of this borehole water then they purify? Later you will say life expectancy of those in Africa is so and so. How do you expect us to live to the number of years that is expected? Do you know that life expectancy in Nigeria, if you live up to 45 years, from after 45 now by the grace of God? So, not ever see anybody just say, we are in the hole. No, you hold under, don't make you a privilege. You are underprivileged citizen. That is who you are. No light, no road, no water, no food, no employment. I tell you the simple truth. People where they really support governments across the country, they never travel out. Including me. More number, man number repair am now on the form say na me good, including me. I know of one boy for social media here now. No. He called me, he said, comrade. He said, comrade. Now he said, do you know what? You don't even know how to support government. I support and pass you in the past. But when I travel out, I know say this old government they play. Person like me, if me travel out, although we don't turn out the own way for being by the power of God, we still be. If we travel out, we cannot support government again at all. Even they say the government, the governor, wait, Congo did that time, even cut the neck, we don't support them because we know say they don't already form a plutocracy in our public resource and they don't impact negatively on our collective destiny. We can't change that truth. We cannot change that truth. We cannot and we will never change that truth. That truth in itself must prevail. Please and please, share this video. Share this broadcast. Let it get to so many Edolites. Let it get to so many Nigerians. This is the time for us to start to enlighten our people on the path that leads to progress. Yes, we will play politics when the time of politics comes. This is time of COVID-19 where people around needs you to assist them if you are capable. Now you get one message when I get this morning. I know if he post that person message, I know if he display in picture. Because in the book of Matthew, chapter 6, verse 1 through 5, he says when you are doing gesture, do not allow the left hand know what the right hand is doing, vice versa. So, but I will only relate the message. The boy he said, comrade, I have been in Benin. I left Benin to Abuja because of the health challenge of my family to see if I can be able to raise some certain things to take care of them. Comrade, I beg, in anything where you go fit to assist me, I beg. Do you know that my family never eats since? I said, okay, no problem. I write okay to Atlanta. I said, when they break this morning, I go respond. If you are hearing me right now, my brother, whether I know you might not be able to watch this video now because you know if you get that kind of data. But if you dey hear me, send your account number to me. Make I not tell you say me still get, but the little I will give, I'll give you. One person come meet me for my house. He just threw come. Now my friend say, comrade, I greet you. He say, my comrade, now say I greet you. He say, we are your day my house since so. Me and my wife are the quarry. I beg this, I don't get anything for us. I want to make the travel go their place for Agbo. I want to make the travel go their place for Agbo. Comrade, I made at least they see the Agbo. Does they follow their grandmama go farm? If they come, they'll fit bring Gary, they'll fit bring this one. How much this man needs so to carry them go for family? Just 2,000 naira. He not get. Now so okay, I say be like this. Now you come pocket and say, come, take this 5,000 naira. Go do. Carry your family go. Before they say carry them go market, go buy food stuff. Cook. Get the point clearly. Not be say me get me no get. But you know what? Me come out from Suffer constituency. I know I be. Imagine a young man. That's that. If you minus, I lost my father in the year 1995. If you minus from 95 to 2000 is 5 years. From 2000 to 2010 is 15 years. From 2010 to 2020 is 25 years. Now, if you minus 25 years from the years when I did now, how many years you go think say I did when I lost my father? You go know say we serve. May God bless the mother. We not through us. We not can see. We not even enough therapy to make sure say we go school come out. May God bless her. We know what be suffer. Now make when we still get, we go still lead. The lead you will get, we'll give it. Do you know that when I give that person that 5,000, my balance money was 2,000 naira in my pocket, but I know say me go get money that day, so I not worry. One again come meet me. Hello, comrade. That's Yafa. See, I do. In the state Benin, a family day in Badon. Now, matter and I bring a company. A friend of mine give a house where they stay, make provision for her. The person, the friend name, na Emmanuel S. Agbogun. We not they the same. We not they agree politically, me and that boy, but we are friends, very close. He great. I know number of housing where that boy don't provide to people freely. You know they collecting that money for anybody hand. He give this boy house. Now this boy call me say, "Comrade, I beg." See. Do you know how much is they look for? 1,500 naira. We not reach us, they do 1,759. At least when we sit down for one parlor, we the first spend 10 to 15K. Hey, give her one. Hey. Now we be COVID-19. Why we not just commode that parlor? If you fed it flex 15K, I beg, flex 3K, say assist people with the rest. Or now still flexing. Than for you to say, okay, go take one bottle. Where after taking one bottle, enough to eat for us. Look that amount of money, as small as that money. Now carry now you go in pocket. Now give the person, give the boy the money. I will not display the identity of these people because I not go feel they do good for you. They can't carry camera, put for front, made it for so when I did they do one. No, I'm just making these references. Whereas our politicians are facing big board, they'll go bring hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. You know, say hunger past COVID-19. COVID-19 they learn. Our brother come out publicly, come announce, say, thank God for my life. I am not free from COVID-19. I'm asked Mark Douglas and Mama. Not wrong, because maybe I can't, because when they say COVID-19, true knows me not talk. I may never see the victim. I'm asked because he announced saying get COVID-19. They can't treat her, he can't wear. Not wrong, go meet her for him, but you get COVID-19. You actually get COVID-19. Say yes, so say thank God for your life. Now, that one na COVID-19 affect her. Food not be a problem. Money not be a problem. Enjoyment not be a problem. There is no way you can be in the Western world. You say hungry will beat you. You go hard. The cheapest thing in the Western world na food. The most expensive thing in Africa na food. If you chop chicken for Africa, people say, see flexing. Chicken. they'll consider them fleshy. Whereas chicken a normal thing for all these people they Western world. If you now you go GT, you buy ice cream, you take one chicken. As you the chop, and say, these bros they flesh so for common chicken. For common chicken. That is to tell you the rate at which hunger and starvation don't greet Africa and Nigeria. People are suffering. So if people they complain of COVID-19, hunger 19 past COVID-19, hunger 20 past COVID-19. It passed 100 times. Say stay at home, stay at home. It is better for some persons to die than to be in life facing hunger and starvation. You dey see people, Domosa. You dey see people. Don't say they just stop. The person just jump enter Lagos Lagoon, he just die. You think see anybody when they enjoy life go great take in life? That's something they cause. They just come down for motor. Oh, very soon. Oh, you jump. You go say why don't take in life? You know what in they face. With the truth, not saying not talking. For our brothers and sisters, we're not the Nigeria, we're the diaspora. Una know what you una face for this Ogbonge Nigeria before una travel. In fact, una run come over Nigeria. Una run. Because una know about una say this country is a frustrating nation. Now let me tell you something. You go see some people for road will be like mechanic. Mechanic na profession, good profession, but the way they rough. You can't say that they craze. No. See, person with poverty, they make your language not the correct for people here. If you tell us you're very name, we're not here. I know many graduates where we and they graduate for school. Where they suffer. When we did school that time, we believe say when you read well, that's what they make man. I just say because then I did here now publicly in a public world. Then we joined one of the best students in the whole school. Not even in my department alone, in the whole school. Ask. Now so we they talk and say when we just graduate, we just select work. We just select work. Now me now only bought me one for work. If they not come, me no go green and share. So because we believe say we be blessed. My brother, as we come out like this, but you know where I go see myself? After many months, I go enter Sterling Bank as a marketer for Sterling Bank. Hey? As when me you get that work, I begin to everybody, me win now, but what's up? But me go where say, but me go where say, oh, go say, where say we can't be happy. Mama they happy. We even know what finish school. Or me win because they don't want to pay me 40,000. That I don't buy one Audi vehicle based on 1 or 2 alignment for school and service put together. Con the money, because I buy Audi. As I buy this Audi, if I dey go work, I go carry passenger for motor. Carry and go reach office. As I enter office, if I dey close in the evening, I'll see carry passenger come back. I can't wonder say, if I just dey bank, I just sit down. Please share this video. Share this video, please. If I just reach office, as we just sit down, small begin and you come with us. Oh, go and bring money, go and bring money, go and bring. Hey, Jemai, go bring money when you know where I not keep. Go and bring money, go and bring. Even to the extent that they even force ladies say, go and also, they don't want to know how you bring money. For as long as you bring money to the bank, they don't care. He? Go and bring money, go. Me mama go yoto. I go run. May God bless Anambra Supermarket. This Anambra Supermarket, the name Anambra was given to him by my father, that business name. Now my father gave him that business name. Anambra and my father were very close. Now wrong with me time. He said, my father asked, how you give her the business name? Now this thing, now is shade for us at table. Now is shade for us. And I meet my father because my father in charge of registration of business under Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Now he asked my father, say, you want to register in business? So now my father said, what will be the name of your business? He can't select business name. Now my father said, no. Where you for come? Now the man say Anambra State. Now my father say, register them as Anambra Store. That is where that name came out from. Anambra Store. So I ran to him. So they said, more money. Now the man said, hey, really? Okay, no problem. Go on, I want to open an account with you. Immediately, the man opened an account. The account can't give me leverage for the bank. Can't get level. They can't hear me say, man, start long. comrade, start long. They try, and one of the boys where they deliver inside the bank, I can't go to do also. They do also to make sure say I meet up. I said this one play not tell myself, oh na me I am. Oh na. Oh man na we man vie we go right from the when man here hot kill you can say no. This one don't go feel let me. Now call my BM, my BM of blessed memory. You don't die now, Mr. Yomi. All right, man. My friend there Facebook here, Gloria. We work together in the same bank. She's away. Now I carry barrel and paper. Now I write my resignation letter. Tell her say I'm resigning. I resign. Go as go stay. Now I started to use that my Audi till they do town service. Ring road, ring road, buy, ring road, buy. They do town service. This one will be the old like book we would have do in the past. Buy. They do normal hustle for street. That one me or your boss say because we they like us where they like money. Me or your boss say, I just carry. I just go come back. I'll start work by 6 o'clock in the morning. By 11, I don't have 5K. 5K you're the pocket. I say, hey, man, I can't save money. They save money. May God bless Honorable Zuwa Johnson, Agboanyima, EJ. May God bless distinguished Senator Ege Edobo Uzameri. Those people join waiting make we say yes. And our own respected Idagbon. Not be this Henry Idagbon. The other Idagbon with the Petroleum Task Force. Who assisted me. At the end of the day, I can't do marriage. So I do marriage, I can't use that Audi. So I take care of my family. Before God can open light. Says, come on my son Stanley. This is the light. Now we enter the area of the light. Before our papa and our leader come say, that light, come out there, go look for a new light. Before God say, okay, we go face a new light. So what am I trying to say? People are suffering. We self came out from suffer constituency. We know how it be. Imagine guy man, we stand. Go say, in that 1.5 be a problem. 1.5. Now because me see how would it work. What I not see motor to work. What of not see motor to work. If you did this country, you know say this country can frustrate you. That is the truth. It can frustrate you. You just die. People will wonder, say, what who? You die. But people will not know. But if you call Facebook, everybody the form of butcher. Money deal with me are too soft. And people they suffer for street. That is why you see and say this Facebook self na fake life. Na full. I never see any girl will get pimples on Facebook. But we see they will get pimples on ground. Not people will they grant their Facebook. Why they not they get pimples on Facebook? Everybody they form of even the one way be saying are still less privileged. To go see they say this food is made for the less privileged. I don't talk on publicly. Me I know if it doesn't myself not be less privileged. Me see Jane less privileged. They say it's for the poorest of the poor. Are you not poor? Are you not poor in the country that you are? Are you not poor? Why are we deceiving ourselves? If you are not part of the ruling class, you are poor. Say poorest of the poor. Okay, the English is correct. You are poor, but we are not looking. They are not looking at the poorest of the poor. Get it clearly. More than not come. The form say, oh, whereas your bank account send every 200,000. In this country that we are in, you are always afraid of the future, fear of the unknown. If I can buy food today, can I feed my family tomorrow? The fear is there in the heart of everybody. The fear is there. Fear of the unknown. If I can feed my family today, can I feed my family tomorrow? Yes. And let me quickly respond to, you say, Jessica, you know, man, say, but you get work now. Now you reject work. Benin people to open up for money. Yes. You know, say, like we, to be sincere with you, my dear sister, that word you talk so incorrect. Before I reject that work, I go drive more to go office. Carry passenger, I carry before month end. Before I need to take this call. Somebody call me. Hello? I dey house. I dey wait for you. Okay, I dey now. I never read you. I no lie you. I dey. I never read you. To say you feel rich here, then we'll use drive. Go now. Say if you feel rich here, we'll use drive. We'll pass then and give the dry cleaner now. Okay. Now, I'm very sorry. Mercy respond to waiting. Yes. Now, I know how much I dey spend before I fit go that office come back. So before month end, I don't spend that kind of money finish. When me come back, come stay, carry my motor go there. I not leave one work, say, man, I not go hustle. No, I started do town service. To me, as at that particular time, now that town service, now go enrich me more past this other money when I dey get. The money when I dey get in a month as at that time, through town service, I dey get them in 6 days. And that time service, I even dey relieved. I work from 6 o'clock to 11 o'clock. I'll come out from 3 o'clock again to 9 o'clock. I went to house. I come be like Ogbura. Money my ego my car. Money come the day. So I leave that particular work, go do my own personal hustle. And now, if you see that kind of work where they say go bring money, if to say Anambra not come for my intervention to come support me, believe me, they for sack me. Because the company or the bank no one here say you not bring money. How you want to get that? Not be their fault, not be their business, but go and bring money. Then my brother, Comrade Beatrice Edward, me and we don't do many political work together. This is only Beatrice Edward. We conduct election for center of road because you want to remove me for position. See your comment, you say, Ole, you be less privileged. Ha! Bros, I be less privileged. Yes. Leave that your own way you talk. That is the truth. So, Mo could not digress. This will not be my discussion for myself. We are still targeting our politician. So, this is a message to pharmacist Matthew Urogide. This is a message to Denko. This is a message to Patrick Aisowie. This is a message to the docile Honorable Judy said federal constituency. If you go to tell people say you don't do something, you have not done anything at all. Go and share. Go and assist the people. Go and do it. Go and assist the people. Go. When they use money to make big board, big board, when they make them, but when not they come out, we can assist the people. If election they reach, when they fit 5,000 share to the most remote village, when election material they reach there, but when it reach time of palliative, when palliative material not they reach there. How much be Indomie? 2,000. If you can share 2,000 naira for one voter, why don't you buy one full packet and give it to one individual? Share that now our money. 15 naira go reach una share. Una share 5 naira, corner 45 naira. Who be mumu? Now who be mumu? We know all these things. So, Edo people, most especially our people in diaspora, I want to thank you all. My reason for thanking you is this. If you look at the reduction in crime rate in our society today, not because the government is working, Now because of our people wey travel go diaspora, where they bring things give people for town here. That even in Benin here now, I fit tell you for this our area where we dey. Now only my house now not get with the diaspora. Now only my house not get with the virtually all the houses they get their diasporas. Where they at least in one way or the other assist them. And if you convert the amount of money where they come as foreign exchange to our state, it's coming through diasporans. If you go Tinkan Highland for Lagos, you want to go clear goods. On getting there, you go know say na Igbos and Edos, they mostly bring things to this country. We thank una. But as an Oliver Twist, we'll continue to ask for more. What will be the more? Make una sensitize our people. Make una sensitize our people. And for advice, una, Mona withdraw support for any politician. Mona help us they confront them. Mona tell them make they do what they see when they come greet una for diaspora. Mona withdraw and support for them for now beg. May we see they live under relative ignorance. They clap. Because I know say if our own eyes still open, we know we'll clap again. Now me they tell people say education. Why did they teach us our own education? Did they write down for board for us say Clarence Perry, Emile Durkheim, Abbas Spencer, Max Weber, Great Camas and the rest. Neighborhood concepts, environmental area concepts, high-rise structure developed by Le Corbusier. Una they see all this thing with una eye. I want a book, na board the writer. So regardless of how sensible one will be, even if you are a professor in Nigeria, you never travel to diaspora, even academic recognize the fact that traveling is one of the highest level of education. More now educators, will they speak English? Fine. Will they fit solve problem? Fine. That one not make us believe say we reach una when it comes to level of enlightenment. That is the truth. Even if that person is stark illiterate, although some of them see they misbehave, all those online presenter we go say this one reply this one reply that. They'll say I want to go watch Saga. That's nonsensical. Channel leads and begin to confront those who is subjugating and subjecting our people into the backwater of political and economic decadence. I beg una, because when una withdraw una support, these persons go learn you thing. We'll fit confront them here domestically. Not when we confront them, we see say another enlightened man come out and say, why are you confronting it? Why are you confronting it? Why are you confronting it? Now that's why we fit confront. We can confront them, not be joke. We get the capacity to confront them. But our brothers in diaspora self see they weaken us more. I beg, more now withdraw now support from any of them. No, not be say, I say when I say any, because you yourself know, no matter how you preach, say support this, you know, say bad governance is in Nigeria. You were there, bro, you know. No matter how, we know this one, this is the truth. But it's very heavy and difficult to say. It is the truth. You all know, say bad governance is in Nigeria. You all know. So if you know, say bad governance day, not because of so what did they say? Because maybe my own attack might be on the basis of selfish interest. Say, which is normal. I not believe say your own go be selfish interest because like we now, we are in the street hustling. We need to take care of our family. Not let anybody deceive you. We get second address, what they do, but we know how we don't do things. We say, you know, they regard us. Maybe our own action against all four. Now for selfish interest, fine. Those of you now wasted, don't fist it when we know so now don't conquer hunger and starvation. It has been conquered there. I beg when I help us repair this place. I don't need to get 600 million naira in my account. If my food supply chain is guaranteed, if the school fees of my children is guaranteed, if the fueling of my car on a daily basis is guaranteed, at least to some extent, I will see myself as being okay. Even if I can have 10 bags of rice today in my house, which will finish certainly someday, and I still be alive, is there a guarantee that I can replenish that material? That is the point. It is not a guarantee that I go still rebuy am. No. But for those of una wey dey this Western world, all these things comes in cheaply. Una dey fit get access to food. Hunger no fit kill you. Hunger dey kill our people. See, they say animal wey escape trap. Na bush is still there. Some of us escape am today, not mean say we no dey bush. We are still in the bush. That is why we are afraid to laugh anybody. We operate on the basis of humility. Because nobody knows tomorrow, now but for both rich and poor, as far as Nigeria is concerned. When they say nobody knows tomorrow before, we say, oh, nobody knows tomorrow. Now, this person, no way, you don't know he go rich. If he go rich tomorrow, what's way they talk to people? Now, so who see rich? Don't say nobody knows tomorrow. If he go just see poor, you can't be richer even more than that person we felt poor in the past. So nobody knows tomorrow. Now for both rich and poor. I beg, diasporans, una get responsibility. Una get how una go fit to assist our people. Una don't try in the area. We know they don't never put anything on social media and say, una no want to use IC who they suffer. Not be so una see to get money. Oh. They have to say, oh, one mistake, so and so man, this man is very hungry. This man, oh, the man has to help me. Before you hear people, they say, give me your account number, give me your account number, give me your. They don't credit the person account, they pay, don't bam. That's to tell you the kind of mindset, the good mindset we wanna get. Because we don't first suffer before we run away from this open prison. We don't want you to ask you who they suffer. Not because we to get money. We not to get money, but this magnanimity is in your heart. Because you know what you pass through while you were here. Now those things we still they pass through till tomorrow. Animal will run from trap. Now bushy day. We still there inside bush. So maybe what is soft today. It's not a guarantee that it must be soft tomorrow. But by the power of God, we'll continue to be softened in Jesus' name. But it is not a guarantee. It is not my right as far as we are concerned. But in a developed world, in a cenacle, it's supposed to be my right to eat. It's supposed to be my right to eat. So when we say I get baby, not truth. Not truth. You get to the number, say you get to wait for this now, we're not guarantee. Even if you open one of the best business center, government will kill it. Government will kill it. SME will never grow. SME, you say you go open small business, you'll see different revenue where go to come from different location, multiple taxation. No let. If na baby side you open, no let. They'll say this one local government come. This one are for state. They'll pay. Inigo where me. Inigo where me. How much you they receive for this work? Before you hear the person will open down, you go by say look and you go stairs. They frustrate your business. No enabling environment. No enabling environment. We see the wonder how Igbo people they survive in a business, in this kind of rigorous business environment. Before you get loan for bank, you do like this for business. I bet more not go far. Let us, because if someone could start to the talk, we go talk. Because the problem is too much. Now, in submission and in conclusion, Senator Urhoghide, Senator Pharmacist Matthew Urhoghide, we are not an ungrateful person. When it comes to attracting constituency project, anybody will talk say you not try, forget party. I'm an APC man. But anybody will talk say you not try, that person is dwelling on the path of injustice. You don't try. But that one where you try, so not be your money you use. We are calling on you now to use your money. And when you want to use your money for this thing, you not mean say you call PDP member and say show, or APC member, or call those of us in the street who will help you, who will get to these people. Who will get to these people. Do it. We challenge you to do it. You don't work. If I say you never work, now be say I don't act politics. Join this video. And I cannot deceive anybody here. Now me personally talk and say I am suspending political activities. I know why. Because this is the time to dispense justice from the fence, to dispense truth from the fence, to ensure that the right thing is done rightly as at when due. Because when you are doing the right thing at the wrong time, you are wrong. This is the right time for us to do the right thing, and we need to be right about it. Denko, me and you not get any direct rapport. But I know say people from Ofia they talk say you get heart of gold. But not be your money you dey use since. Now people are not calling on you. Go to your Azar, withdraw money in millions, buy food materials. We still get people for your zone who will call. Will not be member of any party. They go ensure say those things get to the hands of the downtrodden. To my own respected friend, a great man of inestimable value. We don't face conflict in the past. We don't yawa. We mess each other up on social media. Well, yes. But when we know about you, we know say you don't perform. Honorable Patrick, I so weary. You do constituency project, you do work, we know. And we still know how you sit there, assist women in your territory. Make them do business, we know. But those will not be your money. Not government money. We want you now to use your money. In fact, I want to call you. I want to call you on the live broadcast. I want to call on. All this particular person, so he not the selfish. That one are the truth. When you call on him, he will do the right thing. But we don't need to fake call now before now do the right thing. But we take responsibility to call.
The customer you're calling is not
okay. I go reach him back later. Now, that is why so we told Jude, they said the middle know you say you know do. I conclude. I never even ask. I know say you know do. I know that one for Jude. I know you know do. No matter as we even criticize you reach to say you not go do. Jude, no, your rest. Jude will never do. So I will not call on Jude. But we'll try wait for him for election period. I will not call on Jude. Because I know say Jude will never do. Jude cannot spend this money for anybody. Even for the one of constituency, go hard. For now to even use and do constituency, we'll talk about the one with the pocket. Where I can't Jude not go like that. Nigga get fool. So I'm not calling on you. You do, you not do. You are on your own. Ogbede man. You are loved by your people. In fact, when we talk, say one of the sane politicians in Edo State, you are among them. Ogbede man. You be man with dey straight. Once you don't deal with that your baby, you go to deliver. We know you. But bros, I not go fit to say not be your money for that one because we know say even before that time you have been known to be a good man. But come and spend your money now. I not go deceive anybody. You have been spending your money. Now only you are going to attest to. As we speak, I and Ogbede man never meet one-on-one one day. But I don't see. I don't hear. So I know say you go do. We call and challenge you to distribute your relief material. Reach out to us. We are readily available. Make our people benefit from you this time. Again and again. May they benefit from you again and again. Now, to our past politicians. General Charles Ariaweri, you have never benefited from politics. It is the truth. In fact, you don't spend money for election. But we still know say you are where to do. Sir, come out and do the needful. Honorable Samson Osaigi, you have benefited from the political system. Come out and do the needful. Come out and do the needful. My own leader, my own boss, Honorable Yozuwa Johnson Agboanyima, you have been doing it in the past. Now you're not the position for now. But sir, come out and do the needful. This time not be friend who want to call all of you. Come out and do the needful. Till date, I am still reaping from the fruit of your labor and investment in my life. But my life is different from the life of the people. Come out, sir, and do the needful. You are one of the honorable ways they interact with people through the social media space. Many more of these politicians, Comrade Adam Saliu Oshomule, come out and do the needful. Charlie Temple Akakasiaka Wode, come out and do the needful. Ekmenisi Omo, come out and do the needful. Many politicians. I know if we mention names because as a result of the limitation of human memory. If you remember anyone, right down here, let me mention them, may they come out and do the needful. This is the time to assist our people. Now, I want to take response through our discussion so far. Before we close the program for the day. Hans Odarele say, what is the light? Yes, the light is for now. We cannot talk about turn of road or engaging in monumental construction work as we speak. We are talking about alleviating the plight of the people in respect of hunger and starvation that is currently ravaging our people as a result of the lockdown. So, for now, the light is geared towards energizing and calling on our politicians to do the needful. My chair, you are too much. To do the needful. By ensuring that food materials gets to the hands of the downtrodden or the Aminu Kano Talakawas in our contemporary society. Okay. Edione Edo, make una stop voting for them. That is why Buhari they call you people lazy youth. Yes, my brother, there is no way there will be vacuum in governance. Government cannot exist in isolation. And none of these politicians, they tell you, say, I want to go there to be bad. No. During campaign, heaven and earth will be preached. So if people like we believe in you at that particular time, you did not tell us when you go there, so what you want to do. You will not blame us. And there must be a electoral process which must certainly continue. All we are saying is let us have what we call mindset re-engineering. Because I may not know, the case may be. We don't know again. Nobody they campaign, they say, I want to tell you that as soon as I come, I'm going to steal your money. None of them. How are you? None of them they campaign like that. Say, as soon as I enter this position, I will steal your money. No. They tell you what you are supposed to hear. So if it can't change later, do not blame us.
Good morning, sir.
If I do, you say Nigeria, we don't know how, you don't know how we. You don't know how to describe Nigeria again. Epa Waguta. Yes, Epa, you and I, they face the same thing. We are suffering. I said we are, all of us, they face the same thing. We are suffering. That is the truth. No. How is it supposed to be? All right, sir. You see what in this one talk? Is in Nigeria, they drive past the night, as we say, you don't see you. He say, una never suffer. This is the next level where una want. Now your belly you vote for. Una go suffer. Henry Africa, Gabriel Omorigi.
Give me half.
Omorigi. This one say, my brother, I hope you will come join AAC. This is not a political time, Mama. Grace Obianke. Say, God bless you, bro. God bless you, okay? God bless you, my brother. Thank you. If that, okay, this Ham said, Odarele, he said, replying somebody, he said, if you that tell us your story, why not tell us what is the light so that we will fit triumph? Thank you. He said, food for thought, this lockdown is opening our eyes. Yes, Olori laughing Valentina Ogumbiade. So, this is much, he said, Chris, inbox me, make I tell you the lie. Thank you. Sammy Ihaza. This my brother where they worry me at times, they like me at times. You correct, I hear you, bros. He said, you don't talk, brother. Traveling is the highest education. That's true. So this is the most we can take. You can go through the comment box. This one say Armstrong, Peter says Stanley. This your today broadcast is going to shake a lot of politician leg, and I believe they will do the needful. Certainly, I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop for only broadcast. I will make sure I follow up to the end. Just believe this one when they tell you so. So for now, I will say thank you very much for listening to me. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist and a human rights crusader, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osahweno Hoodin. Thanks for listening to me and bye for now. Hello? I bet me give them how much for 7 bags? Then 11 bags, how much? 1,600. Let me blow that for the house. Yes. Bye for now.